Hello, so we are back, and I have a day off from work today. And what can be better than a day off? And it's a raining day, yeah. We can have a little bit of fun and learn a few things about the electronics. But today it's a special day because I will do electronics with my son. My son is 9 years old, and I was 9 when I started learning electronics. So I'm not trying to teach him. No, just trying to have some fun doing some funny things with electronics. We have a kit today. This is not the first kit of my son, yeah. Last time, I think like 1 week ago, we made this. Let me lower the microphone. This is a metal detector. This is fun. So this was built totally by him. Built meaning he soldered all the parts, he identified the parts and soldered on the board. And it's cheap. I think it's around £4 or £5 on eBay, and it's a metal detector. It's very nice to do things like that with your son or your daughter. Just doing electronics. Okay. So what do we have today? We have a door ring bell. It's same from eBay. I think £3 or £4, something like that. It's easy to be built. So that's what we will do today. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you ready?
I am ready.
Okay, that's great. That's fantastic. So these are the components. Remember like last time?
Yeah.
So we have to identify them and solder on the board. So that's the board. It's a nice board. We have here the name of the components. And we have the schematic on the phone. Yeah, that's the one. It's a nice simple schematic. Let me see if I can show you. So that's the schematic. Yeah, no way. I can't show you the schematic. Maybe like that, and it's not on focus. But anyway, it's a simple one. You have one chip which is dedicated for this job. The chip is M602, and this is a dedicated chip. You can't do nothing else with this chip, just things like that. Yeah. So that's the schematic. So what do you want to solder first?
I want to do the speaker.
The speaker is connected with wires. I will say not to leave it on the end, because it will be hard to handle the board with the wires. Something else? What about the big chip? What do you think?
Sure.
Because it's the biggest component.
Yeah.
Yeah? So we have the chip here, and the chip comes with a socket, this one. So we have to solder the socket, and the chip comes plugged in. So what do you think? Yeah?
Yeah.
So solder the socket first. You have to put the socket on the board. You want to help you? Any help? Now this here. This here. I'll keep it for you,
Yeah.
Okay. It's good. All good. So just use the flux and the solder wire and solder here, like how I explained you last time. Flux, just wait, patient. That's all. Solder wire. Yeah, I will help you with the solder wire. Yeah, there. So each pin, yeah. Yeah, done. I think a little bit more.
A little bit more.
Yeah. Need more heat on the truck, down, yeah?
Yeah.
On the board.
Is that enough?
No, but it's hot. The pins get hot. But don't worry. Try here. The first pin, yeah?
Mhm.
That one. No, this. Here.
Okay.
Yeah, ready. Great, next one. Okay, use flux. A bit, that's all. Down to the truck, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all. Next one. Yeah. Next one. Yeah, that's all. Next one.
Next one? Like what here?
Yeah, any. You have 4 more. Yeah, done. First one, this one is not done. Yeah, that's all. Next one. And the last one. Yeah, that's all. That's great. So the socket is soldered on the board, yeah? Next. What about next? We have the doorbell switch. What about the doorbell switch?
Yeah.
Because it's big. It's easy.
It's easy.
Yeah, this one. Put this on the board. Find a place on the board. Where should be the switch? Yeah, the pins are bent. Let me help you. So the next one is the switch. Yeah?
Yeah.
So all you have to do is to solder. And take the wire, yeah?
Yeah.
I'll keep the board for you. Take a little bit of flux, just a bit, that's all.
And where is it again?
Here, you have 4.
Okay.
Just patient. You put the wire, yeah. Yeah, that's all. It's soldered. Next one.
This is not so good.
You use the wire. Yeah, that's all. Next one. Use the wire. That's all. And last one. Yeah, good. So the next one, what will you solder the next one?
What I'll do next?
Yeah.
I'll do
Which one?
this part.
What name is R4, yeah?
R4.
R4 on the board. I think it's here. The first one. It's R4.
Okay.
Yeah? It is? First one is R4.
Yeah.
R4 value 220 kilo ohms. Remember I told you you don't know the color code for resistors. But I'll do it for you. Red, yellow, yeah? No,
Yeah.
this is 220. Yeah, 220. Red, yellow.
Okay.
Okay?
So you bend it.
Yeah, you can do it. You can do it. Yeah, and put it on the board. That's the easy way to learn, let's say, electronics. It's not because you do some soldering, and it's not really electronics. Electronics start with basic like soldering, yeah, and just building something, and after that playing. If you change the value, even on this schematic, if you change the values of the resistor, of the capacitors, the sound of the door ring bell, it will get changed on any schematic. If you change something, the behavior will get changed. So playing, even burn it. You can burn it and you fix it. That's how you can easily learn electronics. Yeah, done.
Finished.
No, that's not nice. You have to put a resistor. You have to bend like 90 degrees the pins. Yeah?
Yeah.
90 degrees. And that would be nice. R4.
R4.
Yeah.
Right there.
Here. What about now?
Yep.
Yeah? And now it's nice. It's down on the board.
Time to solder.
Yeah. Solder this. And I'll look for something to cut down the extra pins. Yeah? Yeah. No, what do you think we have something here? Yes. Yeah, just solder. Use the wire
Oh yeah.
and a bit of flux, just a bit. Yeah, that's all. That's fine.
Can you like hold it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's no, it's not fine. My fault. Yeah, that's all. And the next one? Yeah, that one.
Heats up real fast.
Hmm?
It heats up really fast.
Yeah, that's all. Great. Let me cut down the pins. Yeah, fantastic. Next one. Next one? Which one?
That's fine.
That one. This one is a resistor and it's 1 kilo ohm. Brown, black, red. 1 kilo ohm resistor is only here. R3.
R3. So
Yeah.
I have to find R3.
Yeah.
I have found it.
Yeah. Put the resistor inside. You know the kids are happy. Even when we built the first one, the metal detector, it was so happy, you know. Just building something from nothing, from just components.
I'm gonna use this.
Okay, but this is 1 second. Try now. Yeah, hold on. Next one. Should be ready. That's all. You see, it's too much solder there. So you have to take the solder from there.
And then just like break it down.
Yeah. Let me help you. Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Let's cut down the pins. So you have to be careful how much solder you use.
Yeah.
Yeah? Everything is fine. Next one. Which one?
Another one of these.
That resistor?
Resistor.
2 R22 is red, and I think, yeah, it's the second one. The
R2.
no, R1.
R1, okay.
R1 220 kilo ohms. So it's red, and yellow.
I found it right here.
Yeah. The idea is you hold them like once, two, 5 times, 10 times, doesn't matter. But at some point, they will start doing without any help. Maybe this is boring, the dooring bell. But the first one was interesting, and we tested on the garden, and actually it's working. Not very sensible, but it's still doing great. Yeah, it's still working fine. I did order another one before this dooring bell. Let me see if I can show you, and I can show you. This one. This is a Tesla coil. This is another, for kids, Tesla coil. It's interesting. So I ordered this one, but somehow the package get lost on the delivery. So I spoke with the seller, and the seller, he said he will send me another one. But definitely this, a Tesla coil will be more interesting for a kid. All good? Yeah.
Little?
Yeah, that's R1. You sure, yeah?
Yeah, I found it.
Okay, that's great. So be careful, just use less soldering wire. Yeah? Yeah, good, fantastic. Next one. This one. Yes. Yeah, great. Yes. Perfect. Next component. Which one?
Okay, I think I know one of these. It's the final one. It's the final resistor, and it's R2.
Let me see. R2, 680 kilo ohms. Let me check. Yes, it's 680. And this is the last one?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. That's how dexterity get trained, because this soldering involves some dexterity. Yeah. Yeah, I think we're fine. Yeah, that's all. Great. Fantastic. Next one. What component you want to solder next one? Transistors.
Transistors.
Wow, these are semiconductors. Transistors. But these two are different. So we have to be careful what we use.
Yeah, I have to read it and then find it.
Yes. But the problem is I can't see.
Why?
Yeah, you can.
I can.
You can identify any. So we need one 2N3906 and one 3904.
3906 is this one.
You sure?
Yes.
Check this one.
3904.
Okay, so this is 06. 06 is Q1. There is Q1 there. Q1? Yeah, that's the one.
Q1.
Let me help you with this one. Okay, so solder the pins. Yeah, it's enough. Yeah, it's fine. This is too much.
Too much.
So sometimes you have solder enough on your tip, on your soldering tip. So actually you don't need a wire. Okay?
Okay.
Next one.
With wire.
Yeah, try with wire. But it's like try like 2 with wires and 1 without. Yeah, should be fine. Yeah, it's fine. Next one. Try without wire. But use flux. A bit, that's all. No, this one. This.
Oh, okay.
I think it's enough. Yes, it is. So we solder the transistor.
This is gonna be our next transistor.
Yeah. The next one. This one?
Yeah.
Let me help you with this.
3906.
Yeah, that's no, 3906 was first.
Oh, okay.
This is 04. We have to do it right, otherwise it will not work. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Solder this one.
Let's try with
Yep.
wire.
Yeah. And you see a soldering gun, I think it's a little bit better compared with a solder iron. Just because it's safer.
No?
With a solder iron you can get burned anytime. But the soldering gun actually is getting hot when you push the button.
Is it done yet?
Yeah, it's done now. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's ready. Yeah, and the last one? Try without wire, but use a little bit of flux. That's all. Down to the track. Yeah. Yeah, that's all. Perfect, you see?
Yeah.
Without wire. That's great. Next one. The capacitor. Okay. The capacitor. We have a ceramic capacitor on a parallel mode with the battery, 100 nano. So yeah, this is C2. See on the board, C2?
C2.
Yeah, C2.
I found it.
Yeah, where?
This.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, great. It's kind of fun. It's fun for me, that way. The kids, they have a lot more fun. You can? Let me see.
Oh yeah, it's bent.
I know why, because the truck has some flux on it. Okay, try to melt a little bit this hole. This one here on the top. Just a little bit of heat.
There's a bit of heat.
Yeah.
Okay.
There. Yeah, that's all. We are fine. So now just solder the wires. It's enough? No, it's not. Use some solder wire. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, solder. Next one. You're done. Perfect. The next component. Which one is the next one?
This one.
Capacitor. It's an electrolytic capacitor. I think the both are the same. 3.3 micro, yes. Okay, but this one has plus and minus, so you have to be careful.
Plus and minus.
Yeah. On the board, it's saying the plus. You can see that?
Yeah, I can see them.
So you have to put a plus. On the capacitor, it shows you the minus. You see, this is minus. It's a line, it's minus.
So this one. Oh wait, never mind.
The capacitor is this one. C1 and C3. C1 and C3 are the same.
Okay.
No, like how I told you. Here is plus. Yeah? So must be plus with plus. Which is the capacitor plus?
One.
Which? Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so I have to put down the plus.
Yeah. That's great. Perfect. So now all you have to do is to solder. To solder the capacitor. I think you have enough solder on the tip.
Okay.
Yeah? Just use a bit of flux and that's all. I think you have enough. I think you have enough solder on the tip, so you don't need the wire.
Okay.
Just use the heat. Yeah, that's all. Not yet. Need more. More. My fault. Yeah, check. Ready? Yeah, ready. Next one. Yeah, it's fine. It's still solder enough on the tip. Yeah, that's all. You see? It's enough. Next one. The next capacitor. Yeah.
This one.
Next one.
Is it like the same rule? Like this is plus. This
Yeah,
is
the minus is marked on the capacitor. The minus here.
okay.
Yeah. Hold on. Let me check. Yes, perfect. Okay. A little bit of flux. Remember I told you what the flux is doing? I told you?
Yeah.
What the flux is doing? It's cleaning the things before being soldered. That's all. That's all. Next one. Yeah, that's all. No. My fault. Yeah, I think now. Perfect. Next component. Which one is next? Which one is next? Oh, it's all done?
I think so.
Yeah. The next one is the chip. We have to plug the chip inside. We can test it. So it should be like that. I'll do it for you because you have to be careful with this. Yeah, so the chip is inside.
Mhm.
Okay. All what we need the speaker. Yeah, let's solder the wire, the speaker wires.
The speaker wire.
Yeah. That's one. That's two. I'll help you. Speaker. I think that's the speaker. Yeah, that's the speaker. So I will keep the wire here, just solder the wire inside. Yeah. You see where, yeah? Here.
Okay.
There.
Enough?
I think, yeah. Yeah, looks like. We need a little bit of solder wire. Yeah, that's all. Perfect. And the other wire, 1 second, and this one. So this one, yeah? Here. Be careful not to bridge with the first one. Yeah, that's all. Perfect. Great. I will solder the wires for you on the speaker.
Okay.
But the speaker is a little bit more sensible, so if you use too much heat, here, yeah. So here you should be a little bit fast, and you must go there with the wires already soldered with solder wire on it. Okay.
Mhm.
Perfect. And all what we need plus and minus. We can use this battery, or we can use normal AAA batteries. I think we can use normal ones.
Normal ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, in this case we have minus and plus. And that's the end, yeah?
Mhm.
2 more solders. So here, solder. You have to solder. Here. Just be careful. Yeah, that's all. That's minus and plus. And that's the last one.
This one is the last one.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got bored?
Huh?
You got bored?
No.
You like it?
Yeah. Really like it.
Yeah, I knew it.
Having lots of fun.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Science.
Yeah, I really like science.
Okay, good.
Which one?
Yeah, here.
Enough?
No. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. All what we have to do is to test it. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
You think will work?
Yeah.
You think?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. You have two batteries. Minus is black always, yeah? And red is plus. So you have to push the ring button, yeah? What about if it will not work?
We have to fix it.
You have to fix it.
Probably.
So you will push the button?
Yeah.
Push the button.
What button?
Yeah, that's button. You solder the button.
The button.
Yeah, that one. Look.
This one.
Yeah. No, no. Let me keep the button now. It's working.
Okay.
How can I do it? I can do it here. 1 second. So hopefully you can hear. You push the button. Yeah, you can hear. One more time. It's working.
It is.
Good job. Good job.
I had lots of fun.
Just wait for the Tesla coil. That will be more interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So that's the story, you know. It's all about learning electronics. That's how you will start. You can't start fixing laptop motherboards or fixing TVs. You have to start with small things, just building. And you can go any further, like you don't buy anything, yeah? You just find the components and you build up the things by yourself. You can do the board, you can solder like any components. You don't have to buy them. You can recover the components from the boards. So you have, you know, a lot of options here. But basically, that's how we have fun in the family. You'll see after a age, you'll see it's nothing more important than your family. Your family is the most important things. More important than money or career or home or okay. And yeah, after years and years, all that you have left, you have these kind of memories. Okay, so I'll stop now and like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one. Yeah, bye.